Hey guys, I finished my hike over there back from up there on that trail, up this way, back down to the town of Cumberland Gap, and I did a little short about what to do in Cumberland Gap, so hey, check that out. But now I'm walking back up to my car, and this is a nice walk. This has been a long walk. And I'm afraid it's going to start raining. I was going to grab me something to eat, but I'm afraid it'll start raining. So yeah, let's go get my car and let's do some more stuff here in the Gap. Is that not so serene? And that's the juice spot. I have not been in there. Next time I come over here, I promise I will go in there and I will get me some juice. See what that's all about. And here's a historic marker that may be of some interest to you. Now the big question, should I walk up the road or should I walk up this little wooden trail? The road would be quicker, the little wooden trail would be more fun. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do this, but it says slippery when wet, so it is kind of wet, but don't feel too bad. But if I do slip, I promise I will record it. I might not be recording exactly when I slip, but while I'm still on the ground, I will turn on the camera. I don't know whose house that is, but it's so cute. I thought it would be more slippery than what it is. Could be my shoes. Could be that it's, time has worn it down so it's not as slippery. Yeah, we're doing good. Oh, I almost slipped. Because this right here has some moss growing in between, so whoa! Felt my foot slide. So we're going to take it a little slower, which I'm almost halfway up, so yeah, we should be fine. Just taking it easy. I love getting out like this, and I love making these videos, but it's going to get cold pretty soon, and I really don't know what I should do. Day before yesterday, I did a mukbang. Yeah, because it was so cold and rainy. So, what should I do, guys? Let me know in the comments. What kind of content should I create? That could be me. I can hear myself now. Ah! I forgot they had these little benches to sit down. I think I'm going to sit down and take me a little 2-second rest. Rest is over. Don't have much further to go. And there's what it's going to look like this winter. Yeah. Gray. Dull. I'm not in a hurry for it. And here's the end of that little trail. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, this was the longer way, but this is the more fun way. These colors are so pretty. I know I keep saying that, but gosh, they are. That wasn't bad. If I lived down here, this could be a trail that I do every day. It was great. So now let's go get something to eat. I'm torn. Should I stop here in Angelo's, get something to eat, or should I go down to Gap Creek Coffee House? Hard decision. So right down there is the Gap Creek Coffee House. Looks like it's a little busy. I have eaten there. I will definitely get coffee from there later, but I've eaten there before and it's always good. No matter what I have gotten, it's always been good. But you know, after everything I've eaten, my favorite, absolute favorite thing was the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have never tasted another one like it. I don't know what they do to it, if it's homemade bread or whatever, but it was the best. And right up here is Angelo's, and I've never eaten here. I've never been inside here, so I think I'm gonna try that. I had never noticed this before, but I love these little street signs. They're so cute. So we are going in Angelo's.
Actually, that's what it was. It was a ballroom. It had a big high ceiling.
I always thought it looked like they had, you know, the wood flooring on the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the ones, the ballroom had the covers of floors.
They were 20 foot tall, and they had a ladder system like a library. You rolled it over, you had to climb up the ladder and stuff out.
Yeah.
Here now at the moment. I'm so
anything else? We do onions, jalapenos.
I haven't been waiting that long, but the waiter said that because I've been waiting a little bit, he's going to give me 25% off. So, that is awesome. But I haven't been waiting long. Oh my gosh. Well, that was Angelo's. I give Angelo's a 10 out of 10. Let me tell you, that was the best burger. I had the original Angus burger with Swiss mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup, and, you know, the trimmings. And those were homemade. onion rings, and it was so good. And the little dude gave me a discount. He gave me a big discount because it only came out to like $12 and something. And then of course I added a tip. But yeah, that was amazing. I'm definitely going to be back here. Oh lordy, it is cold. I was gonna stop by the Gap Creek Coffee House here, get me some good coffee, and then I was gonna walk around town, but that wind, and it is freezing. And all I've got with me is like this little hoodie thing, and I'm wearing a thin shirt. Yeah, here's me. All I've got is this little thin thing and this thin shirt underneath. It's a little cold for me to be walking, so I don't know. Yeah, I can see my breath. That temperature dropped really fast. There's the creek part of the Gap Creek Coffee House. Yes, I got the Scottish fling, and I cannot wait. I've never had one of those before, but I know it's gonna be good because everything I've ever gotten here is good. If you are in Cumberland Gap, you have to stop at Gap Creek Coffee House and Cafe because this place is amazing. Okay, I have my Scottish fling and I'm getting ready to take a sip. I know it's gonna be good. Okay, sorry, there was a car behind me. And I was trying to cross that little creek bridge. And the car is still behind me. Yeah. Unnerving. Anyway, okay. Yeah, Scottish fling. I've already taken a sip, but I'm gonna take another sip because it's so good. Yes, definitely I'll be getting that again. So okay, here is my day in the Gap. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.